Hi, this is Tenna Gifford, licensed insurance agent, and with some tips concerning why life insurance is not just for when you die. There are safety nets for unexpected situations within most life insurance plans. 4-minute quick video. Agent A sells you a policy. May it be term, may it be permanent. There's only two types of life insurance policies. Term is for a term of time, 10 years, 20 years, 30 years. When the policy ends, there's no value. And unless you have a policy that is formatted very, very specific to returning your premiums at the end or converting without a medical, which is very rare, the policy has no value and it is over. A permanent policy is just the opposite. The premium never changes, it never renews, and it lasts until you expire or pass away. But I'm here to talk about the benefits of while you're living. So there's something called a terminal illness rider. A rider is something that is either a part of the policy automatically on a properly written policy, or it's a small addition for a small fee to a existing policy or a policy being written. Terminal illness is when you're diagnosed with a 24-month or less period of life. There are many illnesses that are like this. If you are diagnosed with a 24-month or less illness, most policy riders or terminal illness portions of an actual policy will release up to 90% of your death benefit while you are alive for the purpose of health concerns and caring for yourself and hospital bills and whatever you decide to use the finances for. Then there's the chronic illness. After 30 days of having your policy in force, if you come down with a chronic illness diagnosed by a doctor and you cannot do two of your main functions, bathing, dressing, toileting, transferring, eating, they will release up to 90% of your death benefit while you are living. Then there's a cognitive impairment. If a doctor has become cognitively impaired over a 12-month period, short-term, long-term memory impairment, loss of orientation, abstract reasoning, something happens where you're no longer cognitive, you will also have the eligibility to receive a portion of your death benefit. Alzheimer's disease, while you are living, this rider will allow for the payment of a portion of it to be released at a discounted rate. Meaning, if you have a $100,000 policy, they may give you $50,000 of the policy. It would depend on the type of policy and the way that the agent structured it and explained it to you. We're almost done. There's also a critical illness waiver or rider after you've been with the policy for over 30 days. If you are diagnosed by a doctor with any of the following diseases, you will receive a large portion, up to 90% of your death benefit. This is Lou Gehrig's disease, blindness, cancer, cystic fibrosis, heart valve replacement. These are all normal things, stroke, sudden cardiac arrest. These are living benefits to a policy. On many policies, they're called ABRs, accelerated benefit riders. And some policies even have a long-term care insurance rider. Ask your agent about this. This is important because some people do not plan to live in a facility in the event of the need to be cared for by a nurse. They can have an in-house nurse come in and your life insurance policy rider will pay for it. Then there's your critical injury riders. These are not on so many policies, but there are policies that exist that have them. They're very good. They cover, brain injury, paralysis, comas, which are very common, believe it or not, severe burns. And if something of this magnitude was to happen while you're living, your life insurance policy would release a portion of your life insurance to help take care of you. These are living benefits of your life insurance. People ask, well, it's so morbid. I don't want to talk about life insurance. I'll take care of it when I get older. The longer you wait, the more it will cost. The sooner you get it, the least it'll be, the more informed you will be, and the better choices you will have. I hope you have learned something. This is the first of many quick knowledge drops about living benefits on life insurance and other topics around life insurance. We can be reached at 1-888-485-1520. Again, it's 1-888-485-1520. You can also go on meettenna.com or tennagifford.com, and we'll be glad to help you with all of your questions and your inquiries. And we even do a free look on the policy that you have to assure it's what you think you have. Have an awesome day.